We had a customer come in today and they said, I have a 21 Escape. It only has 3,000 miles on it. And a service message popped up on the cluster that said service tire mobility. And we don't understand what that means. So on some of the older cars, you used to be able to go through the cluster and reset the life of the tire service mobility kit. And if you don't know what that is, that's your spare tire inflator kit, whatever. They want you to refresh it, every so often. Most of the times people go in there and they just reset that because every, I don't know if it's 3, 4, 5 years, you're supposed to either replace and inspect for integrity of your inflator package with your gel and everything that goes in your spare tire area, because a lot of people don't even have a spare tire now. So I go up to the customer's car. I haven't been on too many 21 Escapes, and I'm trying to work on this thing, and I'm trying to figure out exactly where to reset this through the cluster. There is no reset in the cluster. So I'm thinking to myself, what the hell's going on here? So I say, give me a second. Let me run back inside the dealership and get on my computer and let me see what's going on. Sure enough, I go under service messages for a generic 21 Escape with no VIN number input, and I'm looking through everything, and then I see maintenance or driver's aid information or something like that, and sure enough, there's a fucking SSM in the computer that says tire service mobility light is a concern. It does pop up. There is no way that you can go through the cluster and reset it. You need to PMI the IPC, and when it says, is the old module installed, select no, and it will put fresh data in the IPC so you can get rid of that light and stuff. It doesn't exactly say whether or not they give you a provision to go through the new set of data through the IPC, where they add a provision so you can reset the tire mobility kit life. But if you have a 21 Escape and you see tire mobility light pop up, and it ain't time, it's not 3 or 4 years, obviously we haven't fast forward to 2024, 2025, obviously that's not okay. And if you have a 21 Escape, you need to get it back to the dealership and ask them to perform the service message that's under driver's aid and information in the workshop manual for your vehicle to reprogram the IPC so they can clear that tire mobility light. Is it going to cause an issue? No, it's not going to cause an issue. It's not going to harm the vehicle or anything like that, but it is annoying, and I do understand on the customer side, you don't want to see that. So there is a fix, but it's PMIing, programmable module installation, the IPC, the cluster, and actually putting a fresh data set in there to get rid of that light. And that's how you do it.